Oh, by the way, to add to this, the temperature is probably about 45 degrees right now. So this is not, you know, the reaction to cold air, so to speak, blowing out of the stack. This is, you know, 100% smoke. You know, you can still smell the smoke standing right here on my property, despite it not blowing in our direction. You know, and as I said earlier, you know, if this was blowing at me right now, I would have a heck of a lot more problems than what I do right now. Oh, something else to mention is the smoke is blowing at my other neighbor's house, as you can see right there. Supposedly he doesn't have a problem with it though, so